There they are, there's my gold laced Orpingtons, I think. A couple of bantam gold laced Orpingtons. They've just arrived, they're just having a little roam around. They're starting to realise there's food in them there, in that there soil. And they're having a bit of fun with it. Look at that, and there's the feeder hooked up. That gets lifted at night against the rats. And this is where they live. This was inspired by the O'Sullivans of Crookhaven. Taught me everything I need to know about keeping chickens and farming. And there they go, up into their home, which is the other side of the fence. Oh, I wonder if they'll ever go on their own.